as a
Digital
user,
media.
guys, which one do you like the most to have latest news and to update the news every day? The conventional or the digital one as a user?
Okay, maybe I'll take that. I will answer. Okay, for me as a millennials, of course, we are really get exposed by the digital media. For example, social media platform, YouTube, and so on. And also, because our era right now, the information, the spread of information is really fast. So we when we want to keep update with the latest news or information, I think and I believe the digital platform, digital media will be the best answer for this for keeping up our keeping update for to the entire whole of information and so on.
Okay. But back again, as a users, what that mean you choose the digital platform to keep update from the
Yeah.
information. So what makes you comfortable to get the information from the digital platform than the conventional media?
Okay, compare digital platform to conventional one. It's really obvious. I mean, we can see why we are feel comfortable with the digital because it's on our hand, like the smartphone, and this really give us quick access, and also we can get the information wherever and whenever we want. Yeah, that's the main point why I think almost all people, almost all millennials comfortable with the this feature of the digital media.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what about you, Achang?
Okay, so basically I same more or less I same with Kaamal. I prefer to the digital platform because yes, it is really we have get a more news. But actually, I think I have several problem about this digital platform. For example, is news fake. And
Yeah, the
yeah, yeah.
accuracy
I-
of the news
yes,
itself,
it is
right?
it is very bad for me because when I share, sometimes the friends say me, yes, it is fake. You
Yeah.
don't should believe about this digital platform, and it is compared in conventional media. Basically, conventional media very good for me because yes, we are ready to how to say sharing.
The filter.
Yeah, filter about the
Filtering.
news, and also
Filtering the news.
filter in the news, and also you can share about this. You can share for the people to read in this conventional media. That's why conventional media in this news is real. I think so.
Yeah.
More accurate maybe, and more, how to say, more trusted.
Yeah.
The
course.
for
Definitely.
Achang, the conventional media is more trusted and accurate than the digital media. So we can let's hear from
Well,
Mr. Diaz. What's the insight from you?
Honestly, I consume about them equally.
Equally, yes.
Yeah, why? Because both them have strengths, and digital media actually it's too many hoax.
But before that, before you explain the strength and the weakness between the two media,
yeah.
the two platform,
Okay.
can you tell us and what about your experience every day consume the information from both of them?
Yeah. For example, talking about local wisdom, oftenly we cannot find in digital media, like traditional song. Sometimes, oftenly, not sometimes, like traditional song, and also like when we want to see someone to use local language, oftenly we got in conventional conventional media. And also in conventional media it's healthy than digital, but actually honestly equal. For me it's equal because I consume both them in my daily. And digital is everything is fast. We can access many information by fast. You don't need to take a long time to know something. When you want to mastering something, when you want to get information, knowledge, tips, technique, and everything. Yeah, but the weakness is in digital. Too many folks, and also it's not help actually if we frequently to use the gadget, the technology,
Right.
like that.
Okay.
So it's mean we need to be careful, right? With digital media.
Yeah,
We need to be more careful.
yeah.
Right.
Is that mean from your story before? Is that mean that you consume this 50-50 and you comfortable with that?
Equally, yeah. Very comfortable.
Okay, but you trust the conventional more than the digital platform or not?
I need to follow era. I trust actually both them. There is no something presentation. This is a dominant, this is a racist, if not, but equal. I honestly, because in my daily, I absorb and I interact with all of how to say generation, something like that. That's why my daily is equal about that.
Okay, so you consume and also you conclude the information from every platform, right?
Yeah, every.
But guys, I'm curious to know how did your respond and what's your point of view to see the phenomena today. Sometime, not sometime, but every day, the news that we watch or we see on the media, on the conventional media, the source of that news is the digital platform. So,
Can I first?
Yes.
Actually, I have a search about it. It means that reliable.
yes.
In Bahasa terpercaya.
reliable.
Yes.
Yeah.
The source of for example the Instagram post from the in the Instagram post that that the people also see in the conventional media.
You mean reliable, right? Trust, no hoax. I mean, terpercaya, something like that. Actually, I want to share with our friends at home by source from John Hopkins Sheridan Libraries. So how to looking for the reliable information? There is
The trusted one.
Yeah. Here are some items to consider that can help determine authenticity. Authenticity, it means that real.
Keaslian, the originality.
Yeah. For example is content. Content, it means that absolutely you need consume the quality of the contents. If the quality contents is appear, absolutely the content, the information is valid or reliable.
So,
For example,
wait a minute. What do you mean by the quality?
the quality means that it's can build your capacity, your skill, your knowledge, something like that.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. And the second is network. Network means that when you see the Instagram, you need to see who is the followers, what is this following of this official, and something like that. So if you see the followers is how to say trusted, trusted means that it's there is no how to say people good people. For example, good people to follow that official. It means that that information is valid or reliable.
Okay.
Yeah. And next is sorry because this is only from source. So I need to nyontek. And next is reliability. I mean, the search of information like website. We need to how to say like prefer like what is the search?
Yeah,
Oh, this is from, for example, if there is an open CPNS,
yeah.
you don't need to trust except website of government, government
we
or
need to
website.
check
The
out from
official
the official.
website.
Don't need, don't trust the others selain pemerintah.
Yeah.
So I think that's the point, how to looking find the reliable information
Yes,
from John Hopkins libraries.
Yes, from the content,
Yeah.
the
The
how to say,
quality,
network,
the
quality,
network.
and also reliability. But guys, nowadays,
Yeah.
this the phenomena. I just want to hear your insight. When the how to say when the news, all of the news on the conventional media is from it is taken from
Okay, I got your point.
social media and also digital platform.
Okay.
So they reproduce the news. You know, and how
Yeah,
do you
yeah, yeah,
respond?
Basically, this is the era where whether we realize or not, we live in the era where digital, for me, I think digital media is superior, is better. I mean, not better, but consumed by almost all people around the world, rather than the what is that, conventional or traditional media. So that's why, and also many people consume their video news from internet. For example, they see a viral video from Instagram. That's why the conventional, for like example, TV, they also take the video because it is a viral. TV also have the interest to get many attention. For example, a video from a famous YouTuber, and also they take the YouTube to get many attention of the people. That's why I think everyone also can make their news. Not only the media, but also for me, for example, I also can make a news on the online and make it, for example, viral, and TV also take it because TV also want to provide, for example, also want to provide a reliable source. For example, why they take this viral video, for they take from the social media. It is because TV have the they want to provide people with the where this video came from, for example. That's why they also take the video from the Instagram or from digital platform, I think.
Okay, so the conventional media is, how to say, we can say they want to confirm that the news, the video seen before on the social media, it's
a valid
and
information.
also yes, trusted information, right? So I believe nowadays the user or citizen are smarter right now, and they can choose what's the right or the false, the false news. But so we have to know, firstly we have to know what's the weakness and the strength between this how to say, between these platforms. But we can share this conversation again. We continue the conversation after the break, so guys,
Okay.
don't go anywhere.